Hi friends, in this video I will tell you how to remove FRPJ4 Plus. You can see here setup start, and now you have to go OK and enter your hotspot, Wi-Fi, any. So when you click on Wi-Fi and you have to enter the password hotspot. When you enter password, then connect it and then wait. After that you have to wait and click on next. So guys, tick mark and user license agreement and next. Connecting, just a second. You can see here problem, so you can see here pattern, and but I use my Google account. You can see here checking information. Interface is verifying Google account manager. You can see here verify your Google account, but I don't remember this account. So now I want to remove and bypass this mobile. You can see here this mobile Samsung J4 Plus. So now I want to remove this FRP. If you are new on YouTube channel, then subscribe and click on bell icon, like my videos. You can see here and put your two fingers on screens, hold 1 minute for talkback on. You can see here talkback will automatically open, and hold your two fingers. So guys, talkback is on. Now you have to swipe L and click on talkback setting, tap to double buttons, and now two finger use, scroll down and click on export by touch. Okay, and now friends, scroll down and click on help and feedback. You can see here help, feedback, and get started. You can see here YouTube video link and play this video. Now you have to click on title. You can see here video will open in YouTube channel. You can see here Chrome browser and accept, no thanks. So guys, Chrome browser is open now, and now you have to search this link farpfile.com. Type this link bypass.com/. When you write this and go, do it. It is working now, and scroll down. So now you have to download Google Account Manager. You can see here Google Account Manager 8 versions, and continue, allow, and OK. And next you have to download bypass FRP file. Okay, and now click on three dot in browser. You can see here three dot and click on downloads. You can see here two applications are downloaded, and you have to install Google Account Manager and settings. Allow from this source, allow. Okay, enable this and go back. Install Google Account Manager. You can see here. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest videos, so you can get new any problem on my YouTube channel. You can see here download, install, done, and now install bypass file. Install it. So now you have to open this file. Do it. It is installing now, and open this file. And so now you have to click on three dot, browse on, sign in. Okay, so do it, and you have to enter your email any you have already created. When you enter email, then you have to enter your password email. After, you have to sign in. Sign in completed. Now you have to restart your mobile. Click on power button and hold. Click on restart. So guys, it is restarting now, and J4 6 Plus is restart now. Do it. I will tell you next steps, so follow my steps. Mobile phone restart is completed. Now exit it. So now friend, you have to get a start and start these steps. Okay, click on OK, and now you have to click next. Next, checking for updates. This may take a minute or two. You can see here. Waiting just a second. Now step account edited. You have to next. Getting account information. Just a second. Don't restore. Do it. Now you have to click on more and I agree. Updating and scroll down and OK. Adding the finished touches. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and click on bell icon and like my videos. Comment to me for new updates. So now you have to click on escape and finish it. So guys, the FRP is removed now and all is done. So now I am going to next videos. Bye, be back later. See you next videos. Thank you for watching videos.